Today's case study: aircraft brake pad visual inspection machine. Inspection object: aircraft brake pads. Inspection items: 1. Dimension inspection. Thickness, rivet hole diameter. 2. Defect inspection. Character recognition, color band recognition. Main features: 1. Inspection speed 800-1000 pcs/hour. 2. High inspection accuracy plus or minus 0.08 millimeters. 3. High compatibility, compatible with 8 different sizes of the same product type. Reduces additional equipment costs for customers. 4. Automated loading and unloading. Supports quick changeover of loading tooling and 6 carrier types. Product changeover completed in 515 minutes. Ready to achieve zero defect manufacturing? Send us your samples for a free evaluation.